Hello everyone, my name is Dan and I have a super exciting video for you all today because in this one I will show you exactly how a member of my SMC Trading Group managed to profit $3,400 in only 30 minutes on his live funded account with the help of ICT Concepts. So if that sounds interesting, let's get right into it. Alright, so this will be more of a trade breakdown type of video because I will go over my thought process behind the GBP/USD trade that I sent in my SMC group that this member took. He placed it on his MT4 and because of it, he managed to secure $3,400 in profits, like I said, in only 30 minutes. So let's get right into it. To do that, we will use the bar replay mode. Why? Because like this, I will show you exactly when I said to myself, okay, we might have a buy limit opportunity. And it was right here, okay, at around 12:30 p.m. UK time, which is 2:30 p.m. my time. Right here, I said to myself, okay, I do see a potential buy limit opportunity. So let's start off with the first thing that I looked at. Usually when I open a chart, no matter what chart I open, it can be GBP/USD, it can be another currency pair. The first thing I do is I go over the 4-hour and the daily time frame. On the 4-hour, I didn't really see any confluences, but on the daily, I saw a very nice confluence. And let me tell you exactly what I saw. So on the daily right here, we can see that we had a shift in momentum. What do I mean by that? We can see that we had a nice liquidity sweep below this low, followed by an impulsive move to the upside. And this for me is a shift in momentum or a change of character, however you want to call it. After that, we can see that price left a unmitigated daily demand behind, this one right here, that we then tested and rejected from. Okay, so this for me was a great confluence to look for some intraday buy opportunities. And besides, a third confluence would be that we have a inverted head and shoulder pattern, okay, which is very clear to see right here. This is the left shoulder, the head, and this is the right shoulder. Okay, so already based on the daily time frame, we have some nice confluences to look for some buy opportunities. And then on the M15, we can see that we have a shift in momentum here as well. Okay, check this out. Liquidity sweep here, followed by a impulsive move to the upside, breaking structure, taking price higher and higher. We can see that we are constantly breaking highs. All right. So then what I wanted to see on the M15 is a change of character or a shift in momentum to the upside. And that's exactly what I found right here. If we zoom in very closely, we can see that we had a liquidity sweep here, okay, below this low and also this low. And immediately after, we had a impulsive move to the upside and we have a break of structure right here. Okay, so this is a very clear shift in momentum on the M15, or like I said, change of character. After this, the next step is to look for a unmitigated demand level. Okay, so we used the liquidity sweep concept followed by the displacement. Okay, that's our shift in momentum. And now we look for a unmitigated demand level, which is this one right here. Okay, this is our unmitigated demand level. And now all there's left is for us to place our buy limit on it. Okay, so I think this is exactly where we sent the buy limit. This is the entry of the buy limit. The stop loss was right about here, if I'm not mistaken. And then the last take profit was at 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio. And I will attach a picture on the screen right now to see exactly when I sent this trade in my SMC group. Okay, this were the parameters, and like I said, TP3 was right here because TP3 is at 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio. And of course, feel free to join my SMC trading group if you want to see the trades that I am taking every single day. It is the first link down below. Feel free to go ahead and check it out. All right, so now most of the work was done. All we have to do now is let the trade run and see how it plays out. Basically set and forget. All right, so let's play the price. And before we see how this trade plays out, let me know down below if you guys like these type of videos, these type of trade breakdown videos, because if you do, I will definitely keep it in mind to do more. Okay, so please make sure to let me know down below if you enjoy these type of videos. And of course, if you have any feedbacks or video ideas, make sure to drop them down below as well. So now let's play the price and see what happened. Boom, check this out. We got triggered right here. Our entry got triggered. We can go down on the 5-minute time frame. And this is exactly what I like to see. When our entry gets triggered and I see a immediate reaction as we see here, this is a great sign for me that this trade could be a potential runner. When I see a immediate reaction as we have here, this is a great sign for me. Of course, this doesn't mean that this is the holy grail. And if we see a rejection like this, it means that it's going to be a sniper and we are going to smash all the targets. No, but it has a higher chance of achieving that. Okay, that's what I personally noticed for trading this strategy for almost more than 2 years now. Okay, so let's continue to play the price. This is TP2 smashed as well, I think, which is at 2R. And then the last take profit was smashed there as well. Let's quickly adjust it. Yeah, this would be, yeah, that was the entry. 520 was the stop loss. And then the last take profit would have been smashed right there. Okay, so like I said, in oh, it was actually in 20 minutes, not in 30 minutes, my bad. In 20 minutes, this trade played out, and because of it, the member that we've discussed about, he took this trade, placed it on his MT4, on his live funded account, and he managed to secure $3,400 in profits. Like I said, with the help of these ICT concepts that we've just discussed about. Okay, liquidity sweep, displacement, and supply and demand levels. That's what we look for. Okay, this is what we trade, and this is what we always look for. All right, so yeah, I will attach a picture on the screen right now to see exactly when I updated this trade in the SMC group that it smashed all the targets. And I will also attach a picture to see exactly the feedback I received from the person that managed to secure the profits on his live funded account. All right, and yeah, that being said, let's quickly recap before we end this video. So first things first, on the M15 we saw a intraday bullish trend. Then we went on the 4-hour, we didn't see anything. Then we went on the daily and we saw a great confluence on the daily time frame. Okay, we saw that we had a shift in momentum. All right, liquidity sweep followed by a displacement right here. Then we identified this daily demand level that was unmitigated. All right, by unmitigated, it means that it has imbalance on it. All right, we can see that the high of this bearish candle doesn't overlap with the low of this bullish candle right here. Okay, so therefore this is a unmitigated demand level. The third thing that we saw was a nice rejection to this daily demand level, which confirmed that we should definitely look for some buys. And lastly, we then looked on the M15 time frame for the overall trend. Once again, we saw that we were constantly breaking higher, and then we were looking for a momentum shift formation, for a change of character on the M15. We got that right here. Okay, nice liquidity sweep followed by an impulsive break to the upside. Then we identified our unmitigated M15 demand level. We placed the buy limit on it, and the rest was history. As we can see, we got tapped in, and then boom, all the take profits were smashed. Okay, so yeah, that being said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you are subscribed to not miss out on any future uploads. Feel free to also share and like it if you found it valuable. And till next time, a very cool ICT silver bullet strategy will pop on the screen right now. You should go ahead and check it out. It is the ICT silver bullet strategy with no daily bias. Okay, feel free to go ahead and check it out and let me know in the comment section of that video if you enjoyed it. And lastly, I want to wish you all the best and take care.